All Manipur Working Journalists Union observed 46th Foundation Day. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren appeals to verify news before publishing. Rescue and relief works begin on war footing as heavy rains create flood-like situation in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Hello and welcome to Bank News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU held its 46th Foundation Day celebration at Manipur Press Club today. Gracing the event, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren appealed to media persons to verify news before publishing. He lauded journalists of the state for curbing unwanted incidents by being mature. Biren assured to consider about expanding the land allotted for journalists by the government at Lamphel. He assured to probe the matter about the controversial scrapping of AMJU Corpus Fund. He also assured to increase the quota for DIPR identity card. Chief Minister Biren appealed to journalists to cooperate in the government's strive to curb drug and alcohol menace from the state. Floral tributes were paid to deceased AMJU members at the event. Chief Minister Biren also inaugurated a canteen called Manipur Organic Restaurant at Manipur Press Club and presented gifts to founder members of AMJU and winners of the 9th AMJU Sports Meet 2019 on the occasion.
Democratic setup the policy for state ni freedom of expression constitution pivani the woman misunderstanding to a decency moralities adugi hitang article 19 gi 1 da kari hai 2 da kari hai hitang yenga amju se mapang kallingai aduga ngasagi ethnic mayam leiba khoi sidaida yamna mature oina hoji phawda dil to video sumaina dil to honingi do makatana the government side ge soiba criticism toropada we welcome, but properly with decency, with morality, criticize of you hajabli the pena criticize of the
Speaking at the event, AMJU President Kakching Tabam Bizoy called upon journalists of both the hills and valley regions of the state to work in unity. Stressing the need to employ government district information officers in every district of the state, Bizoy urged Chief Minister N. Biren to ease the plight facing those journalists without DIPR identity card while applying for journalist pension scheme. He further appealed to expand the site at Lamphel allotted for media persons by the government and to increase the amount of journalist pension scheme.
Bharada Lega Kugi Pomi Tabuk to Yoriba. The Luridi, Manipur Deliver Pomi, Kugi, like of Tivasi, so Bob Ham international level give Ham not the Brina, a Kugi Kusuma GMP. I don't know, Magi picture Iba Kusuma, the Dagi Baram, Pito Poim, Manum, Takpak, Masuya, Waba, Puramani. I don't know. Haiba, Pomi, in the Lananaba. According to press colony, Masangalak, but that was a Hanagi Mamangi Sakana Piramliba, Lamase, Yam Pigman Madamaram Oraga, Nasi, Sibiasu and election Biliba, Honorable Simistergi, attention brought of Zaraga, a quick Kazitan, Lamdu Pangani Habagi.
Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian inaugurated wayside amenities constructed under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India Mission at Mata village in Churchandpur district today. North Eastern Region Community Resource Management Project NERCORMP funded the construction worth around 41 lakh rupees. The wayside amenities has 4 men and women rooms attached with bathroom and toilets. Speaking on the sidelines, Minister V. Hankalian urged the public to take care of government properties. He assured that government will construct wayside amenities at Shinghat, Behyang, Tuilafai, Molnwam, Swangdo and Kangwai villages in the near future. The minister handed over the keys of the wayside amenities to SHG Ngailut at the event. Thoubal district level debating competition on the theme "Only law enforcement agencies cannot curb drug menace in the state" was held at Lilong Haurebi College yesterday. Thoubal District Police, in association with All Mighty Pangal Students Union, Pangal Students Organization and All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, organized the competition. Moirangte Mamajid of DM College of Arts bagged the first position, Hafiz Abdul Muit of DM College of Arts bagged the second place, and Ronika Sarokhaibam of Thoubal College secured the third position. Lilong MLA Abdul Nasir, Principal of Lilong Haurebi College, Dr. A. Sujit and SP Thoubal Dr. S. Ibomcha felicitated the winners. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on flood-like situation due to heavy rains in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Heavy rains have created flood-like situation in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. In Madhya Pradesh, most districts of the state are experiencing incessant rain. Rescue and relief work has been started on war footing in flood-affected Mansua, Ratlam, Agarmalwa, Sajapur, Bhain, Shiopur, Nimach, Doma, Raisin and Asoknagar districts. As many as 45,000 people of flood-affected areas have been evacuated to safe places. The relief and rescue works have also been going on promptly in 36 rain-affected districts. The 100 Jawans of SDRF, 600 Jawans of Home Guard, 210 Jawans of NDRF and 15,000 Jawans of State Police Force have been deployed for the relief and rescue work. A financial assistance of Rs 100 crore has been given to the flood-affected districts, while 325 crore rupees has been spent on relief and rescue work. On the request of state government, the centre will soon send an inter-ministerial team to study loss caused by the rains. In Rajasthan, heavy rains have created a flood-like situation in southern and eastern parts of the state. The worst affected districts include Kota, Bundi, Baran, Jalawar and Chittorgarh. Water from Chambal River have inundated many villages. All the gates of Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Jawahar Sagar and Kota Barrage Dam have been opened. Due to a large amount of water drainage, many villages in Kota, Sawai, Madhopur and Dhalpur districts have been covered with water and the low-lying areas have been flooded. Army has been deployed to deal with any situation. Several trains of Delhi-Mumbai railway track have been cancelled and several other diverted due to water logging on railway tracks in Jalawar district. Meanwhile, Met Department has been issued red for 24 hours of Baran, Jalawar, Kota and Chittorgarh districts. Two Navy helicopters have joined the search operation to trace those missing in a boat incident in Godavari River in Andhra Pradesh. A private boat carrying around 60 tourists capsized in the swollen river, leaving 8 people dead and 25 others missing near Devipatnam in its East Godavari district yesterday. Indian Navy's diving team, Gemini boat and associated equipment have been deployed from Indian Naval Station Dega to augment search operation following a request from state administration. NDRF, SDRF and civil authorities have been carrying out search operations since yesterday. According to officials, total 27 tourists have been brought to safety by last evening and undergoing treatment. Meanwhile, the authorities have found 8 bodies so far. Royal Vasistha boat which left Polavaram to Papikondalu met with an accident at Kachapuram village near Devipatnam in East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. The state government has made relief and rescue arrangements, including setting up a district control room. 2 NDRF teams have been deployed and a deep divers team of the Indian Navy are in rescue operations. ONGC chopper had been placed into service. A special team of deep divers with side scan sonar equipment is expected to reach any time from Uttarakhand state. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Amit Shah have expressed grief over the loss of life in the boat tragedy. An exhibition on the life and achievements of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been organized at BJP headquarters in Lucknow today. The exhibition will display the pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's journey from childhood till now. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will inaugurate the event held under the Seva Saptah campaign. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. All Manipur Working Journalists Union observes 46th Foundation Day. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren appeals to verify news before publishing. Rescue and relief works begin on war footing as heavy rains create flood-like situation in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.